Bonafide Hustler here, and E-Money's behind, just so you know. First garage sale of the morning. Two really cool trucks in the inside the garage of this place. But yeah, today might be a pretty good day, and we're gonna take you along with us. So make sure you hit the like button, and let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of the spaceship. And we got a garage sale right there. I can't tell if it's good or not, but anyways, what I do on a part-time basis is I generally buy used items from thrift stores and garage sales, and I put it on places like eBay, Amazon, Craigslist, my antique booth, and other consignment avenues in town, and Facebook Marketplace. You can find stuff at places like this, which is pretty cool. You should go check out the guide. If you want to get a free guide down below so you can get jump started on how to make some money. But let's go in here and check it out. E-Money.
Yeah.
What do you think we're gonna find today?
I was saying that we were gonna find a pair of boots.
A pair of boots?
That's what I think.
Just one pair of boots?
No, but I'm gonna find some vinyl for myself.
Vinyl?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Like get the LP?
Yeah, like
or like vinyl for like reupholstering a boat?
No, not like vinyl for a shower.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you don't want anything like that.
Yeah, I don't want that.
Okay, cool. We didn't find anything there. Apparently E-Money told me that there's a neighborhood-wide garage sale today.
Yeah, and it's one that we don't really go to that often.
But it could be good, right?
It's all that we really have as far as neighborhood wides.
Okay, so we've made a decision to check out the neighborhood-wide garage sale. There's at least 4 7 a.m. houses that are having a garage sale. And who knows, at 8 o'clock, what's gonna happen. It could be like mad chaos. So I'm willing to take that chance. There's also REI garage sale today, which is gonna be really cool. We're gonna go check that out.
Yeah, we need to.
Yeah, we need to.
Good thing you brought the big spaceship.
I know. Yeah, the big spaceship is here today. Didn't want to take a chance with a little spaceship on a day like this, so I think from now until like the next 8 weekends, it'll probably be a big spaceship on Saturdays for both of us. First garage sale is down here somewhere. I just saw the sign. Oh, there's another one right there. Right. Okay, we're on the hunt. Ooh, this one looks like it's got a lot of things. Oh, there's one down there too.
Yes.
All right. So we got 2 garage sales. One's here and one is right down there. Oh, maybe we'll find something here. Let's go check it out. All right, big cheddar scores from that last garage sale. We got this Wacom kind of tablet, so you can draw on this. It appears on the screen. 10 bucks, should sell for around 140, 160 on eBay. That printer, E-Money and I split it. It was $85. And that printer on Amazon, if we throw it through FBA, should yield about $415. So yeah, that one's pretty awesome. And then there is a neat scanner back here. I don't know if you can kind of see it behind the cooler. It's called a neat scanner. Scans receipts, cards, all kinds of stuff, documents. That neat scanner was $10 and should resell for around 80, 70, something like that. So apparently it's never been used, so it's pretty good. Next garage sale right here. I'm just gonna pop right in and out of this one to see if I can find anything. The thing about this neighborhood is it was good 4 to 5 years ago when there was like strollers and stuff, and now all the kids in this neighborhood have grown up, and so like now there are a little bit more video games and like random other stuff. So it's almost like we're seeing the same houses that we saw 5 years ago when it was really good in this neighborhood, and now the kids are growing up and they're into like really cool stuff, you know? So we got garage sales everywhere. This whole neighborhood is just going insane, and there's some ding-dong people that are just like dropping off their family and loved ones like in the middle of the streets. It's just crazy. So absolute mayhem today. I don't think I'm conveying it very effectively on the video, but yeah, we'll see if we can find anything in these garage sales. Motorcycle gloves, some Harley Davidson ones, $2.
Yeah, these are actually really thick leather. This is gonna be great when it gets really cold, but I need something for summer.
Yeah, he recently bought a thing with 2 wheels that has a motor, and he needs some gloves. Right here, I think this dude just going to garage sales with a backpack on, his empty backpack. He's trying to find deals. That is a hustler right there. All right, next garage sale right here. See a bike. I see an Arc'teryx backpack or something. So at least there's some quality in this one. Let's check it out. E-Money, what's so funny?
So there's an Arc'teryx backpack there, and I look at like the first tag and I'm like, oh, it says 15. And like as I'm looking through and like going to the bottom, I'm like, there's another tag on here, and I look at it, it says 75. A lady walks up to me and she says, oh, it's been all over the Appalachian Trail. I guess for you, I'll give you $50.
No, she was like, oh, it says 75, but she goes, you know what, 50, take it.
Yeah.
You're like, no way.
And like my default is, I'll think about it. I just like, just continue on.
Because it says 75, but 50, take it. Like, no.
No thanks.
No. 50, take it. You're right. More like 25 cents, take it. When she said it, she had like this totally serious look to her face. Like, wow.
Like I had no choice.
She had I mean, she had some personal investment into the pack. I mean, it's been all over the Appalachian Trail. That's great, but that doesn't mean you get to create a market because of that. Like, I don't get it. Anyway, I think we're done with this neighborhood. We're pretty much Shark Tanking this one. I'm out. I'll be a Mr. Wonderful on this one. I'm out. You got a great product. It's just the delivery is not good. And for that reason, I'm out.
No, it's got to be more like, your sales are low. Like, you haven't been doing this for that long. Like, I get that you're passionate and everything, but it's not patented. It's easily replicable. And for those reasons, and since Damon's not in it, I'm out. I'm out.
Should be a garage sale around here somewhere, but I don't see it. I feel so much better about the day because we're in Austin now, like actual Austin proper.
Oh, that one starts at freaking 10.
Oh, gee. Thanks, E-Money. E-Money! We have 10 minutes only! Is that it? Let me see. It's pretty much it, E-Money. I think you did a pretty good job.
Man, I'm like perfecting this one.
I know. So, we got our cortados from Thunderbird. Hopefully this is a good angle. Anyway.
Cheers.
Ooh, it smells so good.
Cheers, bro. Now y'all know. There you go.
Gosh, you
see?
Smell these things. They're so good. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, anyway. It smells incredible.
I had to let your subscribers know that we're brothers.
Oh yeah,
you know?
Some people don't even know that. So, okay, this is the funniest thing ever. Ready? Someone goes, I really like E-Money, but spelled it I-M-A-N-I. I'm Manny. Right. That was good, I like that. That's good.
It's a good crema. Or frothy milk.
It's good. About 2. I give it a 2. I can honestly tell you that the smell was better than the way it tastes. So let's go find a garage sale. There's one that's close. And the verbiage was like, I'm leaving the country, everything has to go. I love verbiage like that. So let's go check it out, see if we can find anything at this next garage sale. What is all this about? Oh, is that my ponytail? Yeah. It's like this thing shooting out like a rooster tail. Maybe I'm like a hydrofoil. You know those hydro boat things? With like the tail thing? That's what I got going on today, I guess. We found a garage sale that is like in the middle of the woods. All right, so from that garage sale, I will just pick out one of these lighters. I got 4 Zippo lighters. Here's one of them right here. So yeah, I got 4 Zippo lighters for $5. In the booth, those sell between 12 and 20 bucks, so it's a pretty easy sale. And they seem to go really quickly. Everyone wants Zippos, you know? So, easy one. Our favorite guy at Churchill Creek Farm now has distribution in this place. So no more going down to the farmer's market unless we absolutely have to. We can get his eggs right here. Highest grade eggs I've ever had, Churchill Creek Farm. If you're not eating pasture raised eggs, you're making a huge mistake. Go do the research for yourself and you'll kind of see that, you know, it's kind of disgusting if you don't get pasture raised. So get pasture raised if you can, seriously.
Hey, you want to do dill pickle chips? Where is it? I say it's on the top somewhere.
E-Money, we're gonna do it?
Yes.
Okay. We got him. E-Money. Guess what?
What's up?
Who's gonna get the bag fart?
Oh, no, you got it this time.
I got it
last time.
No, I got it last time.
I got it last time.
All right, I'm gonna let this thing bag fart in my head. Here we go.
It's actually like pretty bad though.
Oh, it's one of those bags that are like impossible. There's a 47% chance that all the chips are gonna go flying everywhere. Oh. Here we go. Oh!
I got the good fart. You got the bad one.
Bag fart, super good.
All right, without looking, who's gonna get the better chip?
Who's gonna get the better chip? All right, you ready?
You can't look. You
Can't look? Okay, here we go. It's like a raffle. It's like a chip raffle.
You got 2 seconds to get it.
Okay,
One,
ready? No,
two.
I'm not doing 2 seconds. I'm just gonna feel around a little bit.
You're gonna get a triangle, of course you are.
Well, duh, they're all triangles. All right, here, go. You're gonna get a triangle. They're all triangle chips. Ready?
Who's got the better chip? Oh, mine looks just clear.
Ooh. Yours is better.
Yeah.
Yours is better.
Yeah.
Ah! You're a good brother. Ready? You're a good brother. This is what
oh my gosh.
That's what I picked for you. Show the camera.
Ooh. Oh my
gosh.
gosh.
Do you see him, guys? Oh man. Oh. Alright, money. Then you have to do one for me. Unless I'm not a good brother to you.
Holy moly.
Was that a good one? Was that worth it?
Alright, you ready for it?
Yeah, I'm ready.
There you go.
Oh, that was a good one too, E-Money.
Look at the other side.
E-Money, look what you're doing, E-Money. Oh, that one's good.
All right, enough dicking around. Let's go.
All right, so the REI garage sale is basically back in here. Oh, what?
What?
Huh? What?
What?
Okay, there should be an REI garage sale. Maybe it's inside the store? Yeah, so there's probably a garage sale inside the store, which could be good. Those are usually better ones. There's definitely a lot of people. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's been established. There are like a million people on here.
Please let it be.
So we'll take you into the garage sale for a split second.
Yeah, it has to be.
See how it is. Yeah,
Someone's
you can
already
see
walking
people
out.
are walking out with stuff.
Yep.
Oh, it's right there.
Okay.
Wow.
Yes.
It's got tents and everything.
Oh, this is gonna be hard then, because they're taking up parking spots.
Let's go. And the garage sale is just chilling right there. Who knows if the deals are good? Yeah. Like barely used goods that got returned at REI. And that's the story. So you have little tags on them and you have the reason why it was returned on the tags. We got some rolling suitcases down there. Nothing good so far. Okay, so kind of a quandary I was at. There was a mountain bike in there for $948, and I was thinking about buying it for myself, trashing it, and then selling it for like 1,200 bucks, you know? I don't know if it's gonna add up like that. I don't know if I'm gonna add another thing to the garage and keep up with more maintenance, you know, like that kind of stuff. So anyways, if you were looking for a full suspension mountain bike, $948 for a Diamondback Catch 1 is a really good price. Oh my gosh. So we're here at the Taco Deli and we're gonna get our tacos and then we'll go to one more REI garage sale. Maybe we can find something good there, who knows. But come along, let's do it. Thank you. We're ready, the tacos are here. And we're gonna go, and we're also gonna go to another REI after this. We'll see you in 1 second. So we're at the REI garage sale over here, kind of close to our house, and there's so much stuff over here. It's unbelievable.
Break it down for them. Like,
I can't break it down. Like, there's just stuff everywhere. I don't know if it's profitable because there's a lot of stuff, meaning like all the good deals are probably not here.
Here we go. I'll tell them. Right here is, no, over here?
Yeah.
It's shoes to bucks.
Okay, bags to bucks right there.
Bags to bucks over there. High ticket items to bucks.
Yep, he's right. And then hiking shoes to bucks right there.
And then over there is stuff for yourself.
Yeah, and then right here in this car is no cheddar to bucks because we're not in there. So we'll show you what we find. I'm not gonna take the camera in with me, but we'll see if we find anything. All right. Came out with some Smashmallows. They're 50% off. They expire real soon, so they're still perfectly fine. I got a pair of mountain biking shorts that originally were about $46. Got them for $21, and they were just a store return because they were inadequate size. Perfect. And E-Money, you got some cool stuff?
Yeah, some elbow pads by Fox for mountain biking for about 15 bucks. It says spending 54 just for something that's a little bit used. Saved myself about 30 bucks.
There we go. So that pretty much does the vlog. We really appreciate you guys stopping by and like watching.
40 bucks.
So make sure that you leave a like and put a comment. I want to read comments. E-Money wants to read comments. We'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.